Motorola has launched in Japan a new mid-range smartphone that bets on extreme durability. It is the Moto G66j 5G. I think that letter J, we all understand that, refers to the fact that it will be a launch destined for Japan. Its design is designed to withstand harsh conditions, as it has IP68. And IP69, which appears to me as the first time Motorola has used this standard. It also includes the MIL-STD 810H military standard, making it an exceptionally durable device. This aligns with the strategy already adopted by many other Chinese manufacturers who have been incorporating these three certifications. The screen is safeguarded by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and it still retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is something quite valuable, possibly also for Japanese culture. Additionally, it is available in three distinct colors: Pantone Black, Oyster Dill, and Grey Mist. The screen features a 6.7-inch LCD panel with full HD resolution and a refresh rate of 120. The sound is stereo, and it includes dual microphones. Additionally, in the camera section, we will discover a front camera with 32 megapixels featuring quad-pixel technology. This means the photos will ultimately be 8 megapixels, ensuring good performance even in low-light conditions. The rear setup is dual, consisting of a 5600 megapixel Sony Litia 600 main sensor, along with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. The battery capacity is 5200 mAh, and it supports a 30 watts charge. In performance, we'll find the MediaTek Dimensity 7060 processor comes with 8 GB of RAM, expandable to 24 GB with RAM Boost, which I've mentioned before that I don't highly recommend. Additionally, it offers 128 GB of storage, expandable to 2 TB via microSD cards, which is great news and one of its appealing features. It also includes Moto AI features and the full suite of Motorola options, though I'm not entirely sure I have them in mind. We'll see if it ever has all the features, if it ever does. For global launch, this particular device, as I mentioned earlier, was initially announced in Japan. It carries a price tag of 34,800 Japanese yen, which is roughly equivalent to about $220. The device is scheduled to be available for purchase in Japan starting on July 10th. However, a global release is anticipated in the near future, possibly under the name Moto G66 5G. Please let me know if you enjoy this new trend of mid-range devices featuring IP68, IP69, and military certification. There are increasingly more options available in this segment, although at times they might overlook other sections. I'd love to hear your opinion.